Assalamualaikum my dear friends, welcome back again my YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you people are pretty fine. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, today you will see in these videos very beautiful and stylish. You will see in these videos modern girls pop with bangs, haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas in 2023. Dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, today you will see in these videos modern girls pop with bangs, haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, you will see in these videos very stylish girls pop with bangs, haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas in 2023. So dear viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos. And you will never miss any videos and any collections of my channel. Today you will see in these videos very stylish, 40 plus new all very attractive girls pop with bangs, haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. Dear viewers, do you have new ideas of new all stylish haircut designs? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. To tell me how was my videos. So I always try to bring me all very modern girls pop haircuts ideas. So guys, I might suggest just keep on watching these videos till the end. Today you will see in these videos beautiful and stylish front, back and sided pose pop haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos and enjoy me all very stylish different haircuts designs. So dear viewers, I will meet you in next video. So take care friends. Allah